Alright, I just got the new Titan extra strength, high strength oil stop leak. This is a proprietary silicone polymer formula. I'm supposed to add, I just called the company and they said I should add both bottles at the same time because the car I drive holds 7 quarts of oil. And here's the part that is leaking in the car. This is a silicone seal, and it has metal around it. You can see. Now, to get at this part would be about a $3,000 repair because you have to completely take the engine apart, and this type of engine has the oil pan connected to the engine, and you have to take out all the four-wheel drive axles, and it's a very, very complicated, timely, expensive repair job just to fix this seal that's made out of silicone. So the idea is this stuff is supposed to bond to the seal and repair the seal. And so I added both bottles, then I let the car idle for 20 minutes, and then I drive it, and it's supposed to activate between 150 to 200 miles. And if it doesn't work, then they'll send you another bottle for free, and they say that they have a 98% success rate and that it'll fix any seal, any kind of leak in the engine, in the oil pan, or in the in any of the shaft seals. I have two silicone seals that are leaking out of the engine crankcase. So there's never been a review of this product on YouTube, and I don't know why, but it is very expensive. It's $50 a bottle, but it's a lot cheaper than a $3,000 repair to just get at this $30 inner differential seal. This connects the differential is connected to the engine on this car, so you have to, there's a seal that connects the two. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the engine, the crankcase right now. Then I'm going to idle the car for 20 minutes, and then I'll do some scanning of the engine while I'm doing that, just to see how the engine's doing. And that's about it. So thanks, and I'll post a review after, if there's any change. If I see any success, I'll make sure to post a video documenting if I have any success after 200 miles. The guy on the phone said, well, just leave it in until your next oil change, which obviously, I'm not going to. So, you leave it in as long as possible, obviously. It says it's good up to 5 years for the repair job, because it's very hard because it's the actual silicone is very hard, Okay, that's it. Thanks.